Hello, Ivan with Vine Skills here. I'm excited to share a new recent update from Lead Docket that now integrates with Calendly. This is a much expected upgrade here from Lead Docket. I'm excited to see those guys are working hard to improve the product here. I know I have several clients using Lead Docket that are expecting something like this. If you're not familiar with Calendly, it's a scheduling tool that allows you to connect your personal calendar, let's say the attorney's calendars on their Outlook or their Gmail calendar. It connects to their calendar, you see what times they're available, and it allows you to send the client a quick link to pick a time on the attorney's calendar. Either the client can do that or the intake person can do that as well. So I know several firms have that situation where the intake team is scheduling a call for the attorney. They have to be checking the attorney's calendars and make sure that they're available and putting something in the attorney's calendars and things like this. So Calendly and Lead Docket now connected makes it much easier to do a few things. I'll show you a couple of kind of uses for this. First one here is in our Lead Docket. Let's say we have a lead in Chase. Now I'm talking to this lead and I want to schedule this lead with an attorney. So there's a button right here, it's called Open Calendly, and it allows me to pick which attorney I want to schedule with. So I'm gonna go ahead and schedule with Ivan. It pulls Ivan's calendar so I can see what's available in Ivan's calendar. I'm gonna go ahead and schedule a time here and click schedule. Great. Once I do this calendar now is confirmed for the client. The client will get a message that I will pull up for you guys in a second. The attorney will get a message, and the lead that was in Chase in Lead Docket is now scheduled automatically, and the time is set in here as well. So a few things that are cool here are gonna happen. In my calendar, I have Peter Parker. I've done a couple of tests. That's why you see a few other Peter Parkers in here. But I can go into the calendar event. Let's say I cancel it. The attorney wants to cancel it, or even the client wants to cancel it. If I click no and cancel it, Lead Docket automatically gets a message and says this is a canceled appointment. Go ahead and reach out to the client as well. Super excited to see this integration happening. Another super helpful thing that can happen is you can now use calendar or Calendly links on your message templates. So for example, in this lead here, if I put this lead in Chase or in some other status that I can determine, I can actually use a Calendly link and send that to the client, and the client can book it on their own time. So one use that's really neat for these is, for example, right up front, the client can write you a message on your website and right away get a link from you that says go ahead and schedule a time with somebody to talk to you, and the client goes on their own time and picks a time that works for them. They will get a calendar invite, they will get a reminder invite. Lead Docket puts them on the scheduled status. All that stuff is now automated and connected in Lead Docket. So there are several different uses for this. Right now, our clients are super excited. I know I have a few that are integrating this and kind of coming up with creative ways to have clients do more on their own. It increases the chances of showing up to the scheduled event as well. So super exciting. I hope this helps you guys understand more about the integration. If you have questions, we're happy to answer. There is a help article that may help you, kind of walk through a little bit of this integration. If not, we are always here to help. Okay.